Cool. So now we are live. Yeah, now we are live. Correct. So yeah, now we are live. Yeah. Correct. Let's see about disable the preview. Let's see what is the quality of the screen first of all. Yeah, because I will get a uh, dedicated quality of the stream so that you guys will not be able to see it properly what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. It's good. So recently I have received a notification from my friend to contribute to the project that we are working on right now. So I would be doing it. First of all, I will go to my GitHub, then after like my organizations. Okay. And secondly, I will be opening up the project that we are working on. It is health tech, so yeah. Cool. So we had some things to do. Uh, you know, uh, let's see about the recent changes first. Okay. What are the changes? Cool. So now we are going to our organization. In this, there are two repositories. First is health tech, second is health tech's backend. So, for now, the thing that I have done, it's in the front end. So I have to go to the front end and see what is the last update. Okay, so the latest update was pushed to like on the last week, but I don't know whether I will be pushing it right now or not. But let's see if the thing has been done properly, then we would be pushing it right now. Okay, we would be raising a PR. Then okay, my branch is already there. So if I will check about the git, first of all git check what are the branches. I'm currently on TMEP, the branch that I have made. Now I would be checking the status of the branch. Okay. Okay, so my branch is up to date. So whether if I will first of all I will be doing the changes. I don't know whether I have pushed the changes or not. It seems like I haven't pushed it. So let's see. Uh, let's first run the server, right? So okay, so basically I'm working on this project after a long time, like it's been a week or two, and I have I'm not remembering some things that I used to do, whether it is running for the server or anything like that. But let's see how the server is running here, like at what command. So it is next dev. Okay, so now I got to know it is pnpm dev. From my point of view, yeah, it ran. Hmm. It is running, and then we will be considering the changes. So what will be the changes from our side? I guess I was finished with the authentication thing. Here is the authentication thing, and I was dealing up with the local host thing. Okay, now the console is there. If I would want to connect the wallet, it is showing me the connect block to wallet. And yeah, I would be putting up my email here. Yeah, sign in. So I would be getting a 6-digit verification code. Okay, 183,682. 183,682. Yeah, now I will get to confirm that this is my user address. Now I have been logged in. Okay, and for the sake of it, I can, here see uh, what I'm fetching, what I'm storing on in the local host. So basically I'm storing an email ID in the local host and nothing else for now. Okay, so what I can do from this point, in logout session, all right, in logout session, sorry, login session, I will be authenticating by this line, and then I would be, authenticating, then I would be pushing the current state of the pushing the current state of the user of the user into the local storage. Correct. So for that purpose I have to mm, okay, it would not be the get item, it would be the set item. Okay, yeah. So from now I will be storing the current status of user. So if user's current status is user's address, then we would be we would get to know that okay, the user has been now logged in, it has been signed in, and all the credentials that we will require for authentication, it will be going to the local storage, so that accordingly we can conditional, we can render the pages that we want to show the user after only signing in. But if the authentication has not been done, we would not show these pages that are for the project. Okay, so right now if I would be disconnecting it and refreshing it, okay, so after the disconnection, I would be removing the two items. First will be the user status and second will be the email, because I don't know email then. I mean, what is the need of the email after that? Yeah. So, and once I will push it, you know, once I will push it, I will be redirecting it to the to the home page or after the authentication page, right? So I mean this line. Okay, let's see what happens. If there is a user address, then yeah, if there is an user address status, right, then only we will be redirecting it to the to the required pages. But before that, we have to check if user is there, right? If dot user addr is not null, right? Because initially it is empty, and if it is not empty, then it's an address, right? So if it is an address, then we would be redirecting it to the router.push let's say where sign in page. So once I'm done with this, let's see what is happening there. Now I would be connecting the wallet again. Right now it's null. Okay, so only after successful authentication User is still null. That's the one thing that I would, would consider, because it shouldn't be null. It should be the address, EDR, right? Okay, so what we can do. Hmm, so I have to make a syntax in which whenever a particular function is executing successfully, then only after the success of it we would be doing some things, right? We would be executing some lines. For that purpose, I have to dig a little bit around. Let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT. How can I do some? How can I? How can I? How can I store the value only after the successful you know successful execution of the previous line in a function, right? So I think I should use asynchronous here from my point of view, because if I would use asynchronous, okay, then it will be doing the things like this. Let's say await, await, sorry, wait, yeah. But let's see what happens. Yeah. mm, okay. Yeah, now it is address. Yeah, now it is address. So let's see if we have. Okay, now we don't have to do it. And if you know if the user dot addr is null, then we would be we cannot do it. Yeah, I have to. So this is an about page, this is a contract page, this is a sign in page. So most probably hmm, yeah, so most probably if I will go to the home page again, simply home page, then yeah, then there is no. Now it is showing the connect wallet. Okay, so we have to conditionally render this. If so, right now my oh, I guess I have deleted the user, but no problem. If my if the user address is there, if the addr is there, uh, then we would be let's say rendering the connect with wallet button. Yeah. Okay. So this thing is okay from my point of view, but you know we have to use a router then. You know what router? If user is not there, you know if user.addr is null, then we would be pushing it to the home page. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's let's remove this shit, okay, from the login, and let's remove this shit from logout. We will be only authenticating and unauthenticating the things in the login and logout. Now we will be using use effect, right? by by use effect. So in use effect, if user.addr is you know is null, then you know what to do. So first of all, if user is addr is not null, right, there is something, so it must be the address, right? So local storage dot set item of user, which will be user.addr, right? And else if user.addr is null, then we would be you know removing the item remove item from from local storage. Now what I can do, I can then push from then I can push them in sign route.push yeah, homepage. This will be the use effect, right? So right now the user is null, okay, but it is still showing it to me the home page. But okay, so let's do this, right? The user is null right now. Delete the things. Oh yeah, it would be coming. Why is it happening? I don't know. If I'm So basically, what can we do? We can we can rerun the server again. npm, oh sorry, npm dev. Let's cut this bullshit now. Let's see what happens. Okay, why is it redirecting to the sign in still? Because sorry, it's not null, it's empty, right? Yeah, yeah, now it should be, now it should be good. Okay, so right now we don't have anything, right? We don't have anything in our, let's say, in our user. Yeah, we don't have anything right now. So what we will doing, we will be connecting the wallet. Okay, and let's see if I can, if I can get the OTP, if I can get the OTP again. Yeah, 602047, 602047. Yeah, I'm confirming it, no problem. Yeah, okay. So I think, mm, all right, so many possibilities that many possibilities that it cannot be. So we have the address. Okay, but we don't have the user address in local storage. After the successful connection of the wallet, we have to store it to the local storage. That's it. That's all I have to do. So if can it be done? Local storage dot set item user to the user addr, right? If it is happening, uh, can we use can we use why we use then after the function in JavaScript, after the function in JavaScript. Create a promise that resolves after delay, but promise is in TypeScript, not. Can it be in JavaScript? Okay. Yeah, let's see. We will setting that. Okay, so if we will be setting that, and then we can push it to the, let's say router dot push. Yeah, but it will not happen. Why? Okay. Mm-hmm. Can we do this? I don't know whether it will get successful or not, but let's see. So instead of writing the use effect, we can use this. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Now the user address is there. If I am removing this delete key, uh, disconnect the wallet. Okay, we will start from fresh. So we will be connecting the wallet. Now we get the wallet, and now the user is null. अब यूज़र null है venture. Okay, so we can do this thing, right? So see, after getting to the sign in button is not showing to me. Dude, that's fuck up. If user address is not null, but it is no, this thing is yeah, now I can connect it. Now I will be connecting it, you know. I could open my Gmail, write my email. Let's see what happens. I got another 6-digit verification code. 398685. 398685. Okay. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Yeah, most probably. But user is not there. I don't know why. But uh, if I will try to refresh it, why user is not showing the user address? I don't know about it. User ADD. After this, so what can we do? Yeah, can we do this? Let's see. Delete it. Go to connect wallet. And now it's not. Now, now it's not giving anything. Okay, all right. So I guess we are back with our code. All right. Okay. But why after refresh it gone? It went away. I don't know. Yeah, a user is there, but user is not refresh, right? No. Okay, so let's do one thing. Put this use effect. Put this in your like after it. Okay, so let's do one thing as well. Let's just console the user, right? And let's do one thing also. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay, so now if I'm going to the home page, they are disconnecting the button, the block to that I use. Confirm. Well, there is no address. It is literally null. You know. Mm, mhm. Why the user address is not there? FCL current user subscribe. Flow client library. Okay. Gosh, please. Okay, user is null. User is null. Got it. So what can we do? We could have a empty state, okay, and yeah, and we could do simply this. After that, I would not be, adding any address and or something like that. User, user, user. Use an array instead, so we can't do this. Gosh. Damn. Okay, so right now what is there? User address is there, right? Let's see what we are rendering it now. Right now, yeah, this thing, yeah. So so you are trying to say that I think authentication has been done. Yeah, so what I would do, yeah, what I would do this. Set current to user. Now console logging the thing. If I want to disconnect the wallet, user is still it's still fucking what. Damn. Okay, dot addr. Now what, bro? Now what? Now can we do this? But yeah, मन मर गया